Hi, I'm Carolyn, Trichologist here at Absolique. Today we're coming to you with another recipe. A lot of our focus here is food for ferritin, but I'm always looking for something that's a little bit different. This is a recipe I found in summertime. It's a Middle Eastern spiced chickpea salad. Now, why are we sharing recipes with you? When we have hair loss and hair thinning, nutrition is very, very, very important. It's all good and well for me to go in with my nutritional range and raise levels up, but if you don't help me with your food at home, especially when we're dealing with low iron, low ferritin, low vitamin D, even low B12, the food does play a big part. A lot of the food that you would find in your normal household meals, like your gluten, your dairy, your sugar, they rob you of nutrients, so we're actually in a state of malabsorption. So when we're recovering from those things and using nutritional supplementation to regrow hair, what you eat at home does make a difference. So we're always looking at our vegan friends, our vegetarian friends, and the others. So this is a meal that you can incorporate the protein of the chickpeas. The dressing has got a lot of tahini in it as well. They're using nuts and seeds, but if you wanted to add some grilled meat or some eggs or something into it as well to make it more complete, you can. So this particular recipe is actually delicious. It's got a lot of vegetables in it as well as the chickpeas. We'll put a link to it at the bottom here as well. But we always want to share as much as we can that food is so important. So if you're eating 3 meals a day, every one of those 3 meals must count towards your ferritin. And be careful not to eat too much animal protein at the same time as making sure you get enough. We help you through looking at your blood tests and lots of nutritional advice. We're always going after the right pH environment to make sure we've got correct absorption. And if you do find you have low iron or low ferritin, you must check every 4 months, because some people simply don't absorb it. So then we have to do little tips and tricks to help you to absorb it, to raise your levels. Taking supplements all the time are not the key. You've got to also work on your food. So our focus here is hair loss treatments. We help you with hair loss, hair thinning and scalp conditions, but we are holistic. We look at the whole picture of you and also your individual story, because no two people are the same. So you can come and see me in clinic in Brisbane, but we also can help people all over the world with our Skype services, phone services, and even email services where that's not available. So to reach out to me and tell me your story, any questions or any suggestions, send me your recipes. My email is info@absolique.com.au. Thank you.